If you live in Houston, you already know how intense the weather can be. Long, hot summers, high humidity, and sudden temperature swings put serious pressure on your home's cooling system and your energy bills. While many homeowners focus on upgrading insulation or replacing windows, one often overlooked improvement can make a big difference: replacing old, inefficient doors. Modern replacement doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, and in a climate like Houston's, they can play a major role in keeping your home comfortable while lowering monthly utility costs. Why old doors cost you more than you think? Older doors, especially those installed years ago, often have gaps, worn weather stripping, or thin materials that allow air to pass through easily. In Houston's heat, that means cool air from your air conditioner escapes while hot, humid air seeps inside. Your AC system has to work harder and longer to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Even small air leaks around doors can add up over time. When conditioned air constantly leaks out, energy waste becomes unavoidable, and homeowners feel it most when the electricity bill arrives. How replacement doors improve energy efficiency? New replacement doors are built with advanced materials and construction techniques that significantly reduce air leakage and heat transfer. Insulated door cores, tight-fitting frames, and high-quality seals all work together to create a strong barrier between your indoor space and the outdoor elements. In Houston's climate, this means less heat entering your home during the summer and more consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. When your home stays cooler naturally, your HVAC system doesn't need to run as frequently, which helps reduce energy consumption and wear on your equipment. Better seals mean better savings. One of the biggest benefits of replacement doors is improved sealing. Modern doors come with precision-engineered weather stripping that blocks drafts and prevents moisture from creeping inside. This is especially important in Houston, where humidity can make your home feel warmer and less comfortable. By keeping hot, moist air outside, replacement doors help your air conditioner operate more efficiently. The result is a more comfortable home with lower cooling costs, without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Energy savings add up over time. While replacing doors is an investment, many homeowners are surprised by how quickly energy savings begin to add up. Lower monthly utility bills, reduced strain on HVAC systems, and fewer temperature fluctuations all contribute to long-term savings. In addition, many energy-efficient doors are designed to last for decades with minimal maintenance. That means fewer repairs, better performance over time, and continued energy savings year after year. Comfort goes beyond lower bills. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about comfort. Replacement doors help eliminate hot spots near entryways, reduce indoor humidity, and maintain even temperatures throughout your home. This creates a more pleasant living environment, especially during Houston's hottest months. You may also notice reduced outdoor noise and fewer drafts, making your home feel quieter and more secure. These comfort upgrades often become just as valuable as the financial savings. A smart upgrade for Houston homeowners. For Houston homeowners looking to lower energy bills without major renovations, replacing old doors is a practical and effective solution. Whether it's a front entry door, patio door, or side entrance, modern replacement doors are designed to handle Texas heat while improving overall home efficiency. By upgrading your doors, you're not just enhancing curb appeal, you're investing in a more energy efficient, comfortable, and cost-effective home. Over time, the savings on your energy bills can help offset the initial cost, making replacement doors a smart choice for both your wallet and your peace of mind.